What's up, guys? We are back out here. It's early in the morning, and if you guys notice, we got my partner over here, Michael Lalane with ML Framing LLC. We are, he's the best, and we do nothing but the best on this channel. So he knows a lot more on what we're gonna do as far as the framing goes. So let's, you know, hear what he has to say about that.
All right, man, so basically we're gonna take this pitch right here and we're gonna match it right here. So we got 5 guys up there. We're gonna be here all day. We should be able to punch this in the face, get this roof sheeted, leave it ready for you to roof it and cover it.
Yeah, if you guys haven't seen already the video on part 1, we basically talked about what the homeowner, Mr. Barclay, did not like about it. He had a snow load up here. We are about 500 or something, 1,000 feet. And he has snow, it's leaking, so we're gonna add a pitch to this to make sure that the water runs off the roof, because up here in the Northwest, it really doesn't, we don't really like flat roofs, especially unless it's a TPO and it's more made for that. This wasn't necessarily made for a flat roof. So let's jump up there and see what we're working with. So if you guys remember yesterday, we did tear off a couple pieces right here, and we noticed a little bit of rot over here. If you get down here and look, it looks like termites or something was just, look at that. See that? You can see them in here. This is just, you know, I feel like I'm gonna fall down right now. But what do you want to do with that? What can we do with this?
Man, we're gonna pull up this plywood. We're gonna take some new pieces of wood, replace some of those old pieces of wood before we recover it. All right. Time is now.
Time is right now. So we're gonna go ahead and I think the next step is, Michael, maybe take off some more plywood right here and see what we got underneath.
Sounds good, man. We'll get it done.
What we got going on right now is they just put the ridge up. Actually, I don't know, let's let the professional tell you, but it's looking cool, that's all I know.
All right, man, so we got the ridge in here. We're using a 2x10 for the ridge, and we're using 2x8s for the rafters, creating a new pitch on top of this roof. And I think if you give us about 3 hours, we're gonna have this thing ready to sheet. And by the end of the day today, we'll have this roof done. We're gonna leave the plywood down an inch and a half on both sides for a continuous ridge vent so the roof can breathe.
So it can breathe, baby. We always need it to breathe. You know, we can't, how long does somebody last if you suffocate them? So always make sure your roof has intake and exhaust. For the intake, luckily there was already some intake in there, so that should just be no problem getting the air in. And then the exhaust, we're gonna go ahead and use some ridge vent for this bad boy. So it can breathe good, you know. So look at them. While they're doing that, we're over here on the roof making sure that all these nails come up, making sure everything's good. We did send Froylan over to the store to make sure to get, I forgot, it's been a while, but I forgot to order some 1x3, which is it's your drip metal. So he went over there to the roof line to go grab that. Once we get that, we can start installing the cap for the low slope, and we'll show you guys that in a little bit. But continue to check out these guys build this, enjoy it, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey, are you gonna take off here?
So heading to a different project, but we're gonna finish this roof today, leave it ready for you guys, and then what are you gonna have it done roof tomorrow? Done deal?
Yeah, we're gonna try to get this roof done tomorrow if we can. Anyways, thanks a lot. I can't wait for you to see the project and this video when we're done. If you guys haven't checked out Michael, he is from the Portland area. Make sure to go check out his Facebook. I think you got a Facebook, right?
Yep, just go to ML Framing LLC, hit like, follow our past, current work.
Yeah, follow it.
Beautiful homes.
He's got some really cool homes. He does really cool stuff, especially stuff like this. I think it's really important to add diversity and add to the channel. Maybe one day he'll get the YouTube channel. We'll have him out here, and maybe I'll be up on his thing. All right, guys. Well, thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it. hope you guys see that in the background. We do have a little issue. We need more plywood. We need to go pick up about 10 pieces of plywood. And I think that we're just gonna head down to Roofline Supply. They have really good plywood over there. So let's go see our friends. And we also, it's around noon, so let's go ahead and pick up some food for all these guys. So let's go take a ride and get back here as fast as we can. Pizza smells good, and we got the plywood. It's gonna be a mixture of pizza and plywood, so let's take a whiff. Oh yeah, it didn't even move too far, so let's go ahead and get this. Let's go get some food for the guys, and after we eat some food, we'll get back up there and watch them put plywood on. So let's go make sure everybody stops and what they're doing and coming to eat some pizza. So guys, finished. All right, so if you come take a look behind us, we do have all of the plywood on. This hip is built. There is now a pitch on this roof. The guys are just now leaving. The framers are getting bailing out of here. ML Framing LLC did a fantastic job. Couldn't have asked for any better. So now that this is gone, they did start shingling over here. And if you look, we are putting on Woodmore by Owens Corning. We also have the air vent, the intake by Owens Corning. On top of this, we're working on the deck seal. We're doing a 2-ply system. We already put the base sheet down. Now we're working on the cap sheet. So it's pretty simple. You stick it back and then you have a roller to roll it down, and we'll show you guys some of that here. So I'm gonna get back to work. All right, guys, well, we just finished up this side. It came out absolutely gorgeous. If you take a look at it, it's nice and flat. We hit it with the roller. We went up about 18 inches past the transition to where you have the 412. Now we're on this section over here, and we did cut some lines about 4 inches past the ridge. And the reason we did that, to make it a nice straight line down it. We will end up putting primer right here. It gives this this cap sheet something to adhere to those rocks, because it doesn't really, it'll stick to the rocks, but it's best to put down a little bit of primer. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this section, hit the other section, and oh yep, see, they're just about wrapping this section up. They have a little bit more. Then we'll probably have them start this section right here. So we're gonna go ahead and start installing this. If you guys want to see exactly how we do it a little bit more in depth, make sure you guys click the link above, and that'll take you over to a more in-depth look on how to install. So I'm gonna get back to work, guys. Man, I am tired, and so is the rest of the guys. It's late. We're just about to jam out of here. Thanks a lot for watching part 3. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit like so you guys do see part 4. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna be finishing this off. So thanks a lot, guys. Mr. Legit, I'm out of here. Peace.